HTC is putting out a new Vive Pro 2, and you're a big VR guy, Will, so I thought you might want to check this out. 5K resolution and 120 hertz refresh rate. It also has a wider field of view. They say they basically defeated the screen door effect. I don't know if you ever suffered or noticed such a thing on your VR headsets. The biggest change is a new display now offers 5K resolution, so that's 2 separate displays. It's 2448 pixels per eye and 120 degree field of view, which is up from the previous 110 field of view, 110 degree field of view on the original Vive Pro. And so because of this variety of improvements, HTC says there will be minimal motion blur. So this is going to help you to immerse yourself in VR even better than before. What do you think?
Dangerous.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
We might never see you again.
Yeah.
You got 5K now.
Also, it works as a wireless adapter as well, so you can do it wirelessly.
Does that? But you have to get an accessory for that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a cool product, and VR is just going to get better and better. It is scary though, how it's going to be pretty much like this lightweight thing that you put over your head, and then it's like you're in another world, like high fidelity, high resolution. There's also speakers, surround sound, so.
The new Vive Pro 2 will also work with all Vive Steam VR accessories, including Vive trackers, the new Vive facial tracker, and any Steam VR controllers and other accessories. There's no weight or dimensions out yet, and I think weight's a big deal. Obviously, this is one of the reasons you're such a fan of the little Oculus one, and myself as well. Vin, what you ever messed around with VR, Vin?
At your house.
What'd you do?
Boxing.
Oh, that's right. That wipe you out or what?
Yeah. It wiped everyone out. I mean,
Got your heart rate going? Highest your heart rate's been in 26 years?
one round.
Yeah.
I would agree though, weight. Weight overall size.
Yeah, it makes a difference when it comes to immersion. If you're reminded of the fact that you have this big contraption on your head.
And the balance.
Absolutely.
The balance is important as well.
Looks cool.
Yeah.
Should be looks pretty promising.
Exciting.
It's gonna be starting at $749 USD. Still, this is a premium headset, right?
Yep.
And that's during the current promotion, without controllers or external trackers. After the promotion is over, it's going to go up to $799. And if you get the full kit with the Pro 2, base station 2.0, and controllers, that's going to be available June 4th, and that's going to be around $1,400.